We just announced a near 3 million ounce deposit, gold and silver, so gold equivalent, that graded around 1.6 grams per ton gold equivalent. This was our maiden bulk tonnage resource estimate. This is quite a large number for first resource estimate to come out.
Welcome viewers tuning in to Assay TV. Very pleased to be speaking with Jim Greig, who is Director and President of Benchmark Metals. And Benchmark is a mineral exploration company focused on gold and silver projects located in the Golden Horse area of British Columbia in Canada. Jim, great to be talking with you today.
Thanks for having us.
Could you just start off by giving us a brief interview of your flagship Lawyers Gold-Silver project to kick off? Thanks.
Yes, Benchmark's flagship project is located in north-central British Columbia, Canada. It's an area that's fully road accessible, which gives us a greater advantage than most explorers. And at one point in time, 30 years ago, it was a producer of gold and silver through underground high-grade methods. The difference in the project this time is Benchmark has rapidly advanced it to a point where a resource was just announced, but it's from 3 open pitable areas. So this has gone from underground high grade now to exceptional, quite good grade at surface in open pitable mining.
Excellent. And you've begun mobilizing a project of quite a significant drill program at the flagship asset. Could you talk us through how that's going and how the program looks from here?
Yeah, we have a 100,000 meter drill program, and that will begin in June. So at some point days away. The 100,000 meters will be broken up into 2 pieces. 50,000 meters will go towards expansion and definition drilling of the existing deposits. And the remaining 50,000 meters will go towards regional drilling. So we believe there's potential for brand new discoveries across this land package that we have. And with the 50,000 meters, there could be potential to grow new gold and silver ounces.
Fantastic. So there's a couple of angles here that are of real interest to investors. If we look back to your May news results, you had an MRE, a mineral resource estimate, come out. What were some of the reported and proven results there that have made the case for this great mineralization that you've got in some of your assets?
So we just announced a near 3 million ounce deposit, gold and silver, so gold equivalent, that graded around 1.6 grams per ton gold equivalent. Right. This was our maiden bulk tonnage resource estimate. This is quite a large number for first resource estimate to come out. And best of all, these 3 deposits that are fit into the global resource are not bound. There's potential to rapidly grow this. So we see that with about 50,000 meters of drilling this year, there might be potential to get over 4 million ounces in an updated resource. So there's a lot of growth potential here and new discovery potential at the same time.
Yeah, excellent. And so the part of the drill campaign dealing with expansion there, do you have some milestones for this summer drilling period?
Yeah, so we'll begin drilling in June, and that will run straight through to late fall, perhaps even to December period. As mentioned, the drilling will encompass several things. We will move some of the inferred ounces in the resource, the bulk of all the inferred ounces into the measured and indicated category. In addition to that, there'll be some infill drilling and step-out drilling, which should also add tonnage and perhaps has a good chance to increase the grade at the same time. So it's a good effort going forward. We've already planned our drill collars and locations, and we're days, if not about a week away from having drill spinning. At the height of this program, though, we should have upwards of 6 drills on the ground.
Right, lots going on. It's excellent. And great results with the mineral resource estimate, of course, as you mentioned. Thinking further down the line, though, this is leading towards your PEA. Can you tell us about the path up to finalizing there?
That's right. So the resource that was just published basically becomes part of the preliminary economic assessment. So this PEA builds on all those ounces that we developed. We anticipate the PEA will be completed for August timeframe, so that's only a few months away. And we're targeting mining from 3 open pits. We believe we'll have anywhere from up to a 15-year mine life. We're going through various scenarios and trade-off studies right now, but I would anticipate a minimum of 150,000 ounces per production through to up to 15 years life of mine. So this is a big endeavor. We're looking at various scenarios here where it could be a much larger mining capacity, and that's all part of the trade-off studies. We will hone these results and provide some updates as we move along, but indeed the PEA is a major milestone for the company. We believe we'll see some robust economics August timeframe this year.
Excellent, not long at all. So looking forward to keeping abreast of that. Just thinking about the company financials then and the other side of the picture, you're in quite a good position really, because all of the drilling that's coming up has been financed. Tell us about the situation there.
That's right. Yeah, we have approximately 32 million Canadian in our treasury. This will go to support all of the work that's being completed this year in 2021. In addition to that, we have warrants that are in the money. So there's approximately just over $8 million sitting in warrants with investors. And we see those actually being exercised on a regular basis. So cash is still trickling into the treasury, and all of this helps support a big program.
Yep, certainly. There's a lot on the horizon for you there. And just coming back to your point on the additional exploration drilling that's going on regionally, are there any sort of assets of note or sites of note that you wanted to mention in this update?
Yeah, there's in total we have isolated over 20 targets across our package. Most, if not all of them, have not been drill tested. They've never seen a drill, but they all exhibit the same anomalous features as the heart of the property. Same geology, same type of anomalous soils and geochem at surface. They all have high-grade gold and silver from outcrops at surface. And they're seeing anomalous features coming from radiometrics and various geophysical anomalies. One of them turned into a bona fide new discovery last year. This is called the Marmot Zone. We put 5 drill holes into Marmot, and the best of which returned just over 100 meters of 0.82 grams per ton gold equivalent. But within that long intersection, we also saw 22 meters of 2.1 grams. So the Marmot Zone will see an initial 10,000 meters of drilling. We believe with a small dedicated drill program, we can turn that into a satellite deposit. And best of all, neighboring this Marmot Zone, there's another 5 targets surrounding this within close proximity. Those will see a drill for the first time, and we anticipate seeing some new discoveries.
Excellent. There's a lot going on then. Well, look, Jim, thank you very much for the update on progress with the existing drilling and some of the new exploration that's going on as well. Certainly a lot for investors to keep tabs on for this summer period. So thank you very much.
Good, thanks. Thanks, Adam. We'll speak to you again with some updates.
Cheers.